RBLX stock analysis and RBLX stock prediction. I'm breaking down my exact play and everything with Roblox. Such a beautiful, decent bullish market. What I'm looking to do is obviously just double down on this. So immediately I've done 42,000 videos over the last 5 years. No one else in this space has documented like I've documented them. It's all on my YouTube channel, and I've shown you what's working, what's not. Especially with this thing like with Roblox, I began buying when it was 40 freaking cents. You might not believe me. Here is $40, my bad. It was 39, right? Look to take it to like 48. 7 months back, such a beautiful delivery. Now we're freaking 90, not like almost $100. So currently, like I'm looking to double down on it, but the only way that I'll do so is if it does pull down. Well, yeah, there is an if, and only if that happens. If not, it's good, you know, there's different tickers, so not sweating whatsoever. Goodbye and enjoy, and there's really nothing else that I would add here. See you in the next one.